To get the Outlook app on your desktop in 2025, follow these simple steps. First, ensure your computer meets the system requirements for the Outlook app, which typically includes a Windows or Mac OS operating system, sufficient storage space, and an internet connection. Next, go to the official Microsoft website and search for the Outlook app. Click on the download link to start the installation process. Depending on your operating system, you may be redirected to the Microsoft Store or the App Store. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the prompts to install the Outlook app on your desktop. You will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. Choose the installation location, and decide whether to install additional features. After the installation is complete, launch the Outlook app and sign in with your Microsoft account or create a new one if you do not have an existing account. If you have a work or school account, you may need to enter additional information, such as your organization's domain name or a setup code provided by your administrator. Once you are signed in, you can set up your email account by entering your email address and password. Outlook will automatically configure your account settings and sync your emails, contacts, and calendar. To pin the Outlook app to your desktop, click on the Outlook icon in the Start menu or dock. Right-click on it, and select Pin to Taskbar or Pin to Dock. This will create a shortcut to the Outlook app on your desktop, allowing you to easily access your emails and calendar. Best practices for using the Outlook app on your desktop include regularly updating the app to ensure you have the latest features and security patches, using strong passwords and two-factor authentication to protect your account, and customizing the app's settings to suit your needs, such as setting up notifications and calendar reminders. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily get the Outlook app on your desktop in 2025 and start managing your emails, contacts, and calendar with ease.